Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. My name is Darlene. Today I'm going to be reviewing this product right here, but let's go ahead and get right into this. It comes really well packaged. You can see it has all this protecting stuff, so you don't have to worry about it messing up. So it comes with microscope basics, which will tell you pretty much how to use it and everything. It comes with a little user manual. And then all of this stuff right here, from slides to the microscope and everything, I'm going to go ahead and set everything up, and then I'll show you everything in a little more detail. Okay, so we have all these different slides. This is a carnation leaf. What's a carnation leaf? That's a leaf. That's what it looks like close up.
That's the string right there?
That's the leaf that's inside of this glass. Let me show the camera so they can see. You can see how clear that is. So that's the carnation leaf. Let's see, look at something else. Okay, this is a grasshopper leg. Let's see what that looks like. So you can see like all these different lenses will show different like things.
Grasshopper leg. Oh.
That's pretty cool, huh?
This one.
Is it an entire grasshopper leg?
Huh?
Is it an entire grasshopper leg?
It's a leech.
It's a piece of it. It's like you can see the little piece right there. So this is what a leech looks like. What do you guys think about that? Let's see different lenses.
Weird.
Oh, it's weird.
Oh, look.
Oh.
That's trippy, huh? That's pretty cool. You can see. Isn't that weird?
That doesn't look like a leech.
Okay, and this is what a drop of blood looks like. What do you guys think about that?
My blood too.
You see it moving?
That's so weird.
Because it's alive.
That's like the minerals inside of it or something.
It's your blood cells. She sacrificed the scab.
No, I'm really torturing myself.
That's so cool.
Like Susan Scrub's blood.
So we mixed two people's, both my kids had like scabs that they picked, and they mixed their blood, and that's what happens. They're starting to clump up. Isn't that weird?
Do they clump their cells up?
Yeah. But yeah, that completes this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. God bless.